What's up, guys? So, last fan of the night, and we have a Casablanca Victorian. Yes, it's my very first Casablanca, and I love it so much. It's brass. I got it for not Christmas, my birthday today. And I'm so happy with it. It didn't come with a controller, an IntelliTouch, but Dan Spiffy Newman got my mom one for a low price, so thank you for that if you're watching this. Thank you so much, because now I can test it. Alright, we're going to start off on the lowest speed. This is a very, very slow speed. And just because this thing has like a bunch of speeds, I'm gonna make like each section of the speed slower. Well, shorter, I meant. This thing hangs really low. And if you guys are wondering about the cardboard up there by the canopy and why the cover for the hang screw isn't on, it's because my screwdriver can't fit up there, and the cardboard is to hold the thing steady. If you own a Casablanca, if you ever had a hang screw, you'd probably know what I'm talking about, because the box is not flush with the ceiling. So yeah, it's stable. Alright, let's bump it up to 2. And at the end of the video, I will put it on demo mode. I tried it. I like this speed. Alright, let's go to speed 3. Sorry, I'm shaking the thing so much. There's a big box in here, and there's not a lot of room to walk around. Alright, let's go to speed 5 or 4. This is where it starts going to spin fast. My mom loves this fan. Alright, let's do speed 5. Now we're in higher speeds. I think this is a 6 speed. Alright, let's go to speed 6. I think this is the final speed. This thing blows a lot of air. Alright, let's see if there's a speed above this. Alright, there's not. Okay, we'll do spin down. This thing also has a long spin down. And yes, if you were wondering, in the fan barn vlog 2, I was saving that spot for something. Yes, this is the fan that I want to put there. Can't believe I have a Casablanca now. It's all uphill from here. Sometime I want to get the original up. I still need to test that. Alright, let's do demo mode. Alright, so it's going to go through all of its modes now. If I had a light on, it would do stuff with the light. Alright, I'm just gonna stop it because I don't want to watch this thing spin down again. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed Okay, I'm gonna turn that power off. It did that to me before, so. Alright, I'm gonna say my sentence again. If you want to interrupt me, please. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to have this in my collection. Hope you guys have a good night. See you guys later. Goodbye.